Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a little highlight of another feature of the April 2018 update of Windows 10, and it's how the notifications have now been changed in how they appear. So for example, you've got notifications of mail, of all sorts of things, but when you actually look at it, it's all separated. So everything that you have has its own notifications. And it is very, very interesting because they separate what's from mail and what's from different apps. So every app has its own. So here at the top you see mail. So I've got, of course, all the mail notifications in here, and there's, of course, tons of other things that can be there from the different apps that will, of course, be giving me notifications. So for example, Microsoft's Store, downloading an app, your mail app, maybe some continue where you left off coming from the Microsoft Edge browser. And all of this together is actually giving the different sections of the notification. So this is nice because before they weren't separated. Every notification was there and kind of mixed in. Now they each have their own little section, and it says which app is actually giving you notifications. Continue where you left off is nice if you have a multiple Windows 10 machines. Well, you know, when you turn one on or when you actually go to another computer, you will see appear here the list of websites that you visited, maybe, or things that you were doing, or maybe you were working on a Word document, and it will actually show you and tell you, well, you know, if you want to continue where you left off, here's what you were doing on another Windows 10 PC. So that's also very, very nice because sometimes, you know, you're working on something on one PC and you decide, well, I'd like to maybe work on something on another PC. The same thing, but you know, before it was kind of, okay, well, I have to, you know, either you know, send the link or you know, put the bookmarks or whatever, or even in Word, you know, it's like, okay, well, you know, how do I got to transfer the Word document. Now it all appears there and continue where you left off. You just have to click on it and that's it. So that's pretty cool also in what is coming in the April 2018 updates. So check it out. It all appears and it all works within the Action Center that is here. That is a cleaner interface also. Not just because it has fluent design, but also cleaner interface, spaced out items that are easier to follow and easier to understand or see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.